boys and girls. We're going to start 8-2 today. It's about measuring degrees. So we're going to use our protractor. So if you don't have your protractor with you, go get it. We're going to need it. It's going to be fun. So you get to use it, you get to measure with it, and I'm going to teach you how. The first page that we're going to talk about is 277. We don't have any blue lines to fill in, so it's just learning about how to measure an angle by degrees. And we know that a 90-degree angle looks like this. Now, how and why is it 90 degrees? Because it moves, it turns 1 degree at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 90, okay? If it goes past 90, then the numbers are gonna go bigger. If it's smaller than 90, the numbers are gonna be smaller. So we'll wanna use our logical thinking when we are measuring angles. Does it look smaller than a 90-degree angle? Then that number is gonna be smaller than 90 degrees, right? And then that makes it an acute angle because it's little and it's cute. And then if it's bigger than 90 degrees, it's obtuse. And it has larger numbers than 90. Okay, so I want to draw your attention to the middle of the page. I'm going to talk a little fast because I don't want the video to be lengthy. It takes a long time to upload it, the longer it is. And I want to get this to you as soon as possible. So in the middle of the page, you see a circle with a right angle in it. And yesterday I asked you a question, how can 4 right angles make a circle? Well, this is how. You see? You see that? Here is a right angle here. There's another right angle there, and another one there, and another one there. And that's how it makes a circle. I thought that was fascinating. I watched the Khan Academy video. I hope you did too. And I learned that myself. That was something new. So I thought I would challenge you with that question. And Kaylee came into Dojo and answered that question right. Hey, Braden, how are you? I see you out there. Jaden Walker, how are you? Nice to see you too. And Summer, oh, Dallas is on too. Hi, how you doing? Chloe, look at you, all ready to go. Very good. Colton, how you doing? I haven't seen you for a while. Good. Who else is out there? Oh, Juliet, Natalie, how you doing, girls? Oh, I miss you guys so much. Spencer, hey. Jaden Gray, awesome, nice to see you. Good, I'm glad we're all here, you guys. Jack, you're here too. Very good. It is really, really nice to see you guys. Okay, back to work. So let's go to page 278. Not a whole lot to remember here other than remember vertex. It's where 2 rays, so this is a ray and this is a ray, they come together and they form there's a little dot there that makes a little, almost like a little triangle, an angle. And it is the vertex. And remember V, you see that V there. It's not, it's kind of upside down or sideways, but it's a V and it's a vertex. And when you take your protractor, you're going to line up the vertex where they meet with this little circle here, this little hole. Okay, you put that right on top of the vertex. Okay, so you can see that, I'll read the top of the page. A protractor is a tool that is used to measure angle in degrees. A protractor shows that angle, ABC, measures 90 degrees. And remember yesterday they told us that we have to label our endpoints with a capital letter. So we have capital C, capital B, and capital A. Now, in the directions, it says it's angle angle ABC, but it could be angle CBA too. It doesn't matter, it can go either way. And you'll need that information for the next page. I think you'll be fine with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's turn to page 279. I think you'll be just fine with 5, 6, 7, and 8. You'll be able to draw your angles there and see what they look like, okay? Remember, a full circle is 360 degrees. Half of 360 is that line that goes through the circle. Okay, remember that? All right, so on 9, I want to draw your attention. There's 2 figures there. They want you to look at both of those figures. They want you to find at least 1 right angle, but I think you can find 2 if you look really hard. Remember to symbolize the angle with that symbol sign that you learned on page 278. Okay? Also remember that it doesn't matter if it goes from bottom to top or from top to bottom when you're labeling. Okay, it can go backwards or forwards. Turn to page 280. I'm going to go through this pretty fast for the sake of time. We have some symbols to the left of the map. That tells us the direction of the map. So the top of the map is north, the bottom is south, and then east and west. 15 tells you that John is leaving his house. You need to follow the directions that John is going. Measure the angle that he comes to when he turns his bicycle onto the next street. Remember that if it looks bigger than a 90 degree, then the angle is going to be a bigger number than 90. If it looks smaller, remember, how small does it look? Does it look like it's half of 90 degrees? Does it look more than half of 90 degrees? Smaller? So then the number is going to be really small. Also, you need to label your angle. Is it a right angle, an obtuse angle, or an acute angle? Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, boys and girls.